than that, let the television audience hear you out there. All right. Well, tonight's game, folks, is going to be a showdown. We have the classic battle of brains. Give it up for Blaze. Now get ready to make some noise for Blue Lightning's very own Speed Demon, Bolts. And not to be outdone, here comes the more physical, the more sneaky. You know them as Acid Green! The rivalry's already begun. Give it up for Creature! Now make some noise for Acid Green's very own High Flying Gearhead! They are not messing around, folks. And now, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce our disruption specialist, the Inhibitor. His job is to recap the normal course when you least expect it. All right, team, let's get ready to play Survivor Showdown. And now let's bring out the captains of each team. Grievous, what is your team plan for tonight's game?
Me win, you lose.
Oh, all right, there, fellas. Okay. All right, let's hear for our captains once again. Yeah. Angle up to you both. Game on. Oh, and Grievous is quick to the assault, wasting no time. But Brilliance gets a good kick in. Grievous is staggered. Brilliance looks for a way down. Oh, but Grievous is up to his old dirty tricks. Not looking good for Brilliance, folks. Spoke too soon. Brilliant outmaneuvers Grievous. Ooh, right in the gut. Ouch. And she throws him right off the platform. My, what a shrill that was there, Grievous. Yeah. Now here comes Brilliant propelling the dominance in poise. Let's see, better hurry up. Grievous is recovered and he's hot on her tail. It's Brilliant versus the start button followed by Grievous. And now Blue Lightning is off to a commanding lead in the first leg of our round. Oh no, wait a minute. He is now taking the turn too wide. Acid Green sneaks in and steals the lead. Now we're going to set up to tag their teammate. The tag is made. Looks like Mike is going to do this. Oh, wait a minute. Grievous is pressing the start button. And now we have Acid Green in the lead for the second leg of our relay. Blue Lightning is now the lead. And Grievous is no too happy about that. Oh! But Acid Green takes... Apparently no fights back. Yeah, it looks like now Blue Lightning is first in the start button. Now here comes our bikers. Oh, Grievous was Brilliance in the back of the bikers. Watch out there, Brilliance. What did I tell you about Acid Green and his dirty tricks, huh? I'm just the commentator there, but... Oh, here comes the Biker! Go big air! Amazing! Oh, now Brilliance has the weapons. She takes the streamers right off the stage. And into the spectator arena! There they go! Yes, this is quite unorthodox there, folks. Well, we love it, right? What Survivor Showdown is all about. Oh! Ball takes to the sky, but your head gets cut off by an inhibitor. He takes the Ram Sidewinder style. But he's now using it to his advantage. Yes, it's legal, folks. Gearhead is now in the lead. And Brilliant Synchronous returns to the stage. Takes it up once again to tag their teammates. Synchronous tries to slow Brilliant down. Whoa! But he's outmaneuvered. Brilliant move there, Brilliant. And now begins the Super Loop portion of our relay. Just look at those Super Loop bunnies, folks. And they're perfectly designed to withstand the G-force that the loop creates. Our driver still must be very, very careful. Oh, we have another inhibitor. And he's heading for the loop. Oh, total disruption. Our drivers are not able to complete the loop. They abort their run. Acid Green is first to the loop. Oh my lightning! Across the finish line. And it's Acid Green! Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Acid Green! Winners of... Better hurry up! They have some boosters awaiting them! And then... Yes, Bruce refers to the boosters. She has selected hot shot. Acid Green's car is now red hot. Whoa! So is Grievous! Man, he's fuming! Yikes! And now here comes our fifth route out, cool legs down. Oh, that handle must be hot. Yeah! Use that extinguisher. Now here comes some more boosters. Whoa! Push the legs away. He hits the button and it's split trick. Yeah, look at that oily, slippery mess. The split trick booster action. No, wait. It takes the traction out away from... Oh, my goodness. Look at those fish nails. Now they've regained control of the vehicle. Let's take a moment to speak to our contestants. Grievous, what do you think? Yeah! Brilliant! Alright! And our drivers are back! And here comes another inhibitor! Oh, just rolling by! Now Brilliant keeps Grievous away from the button. She hits it! Another one available! They both hit the turbo boost! Just look at that, ladies and gentlemen. The turbo booster adds an additional 500 horsepower to each of those vehicles. Look at the racers go! Now they're coming into their final approach. It's Blue Lightning! Yeah, go on, take a victory lap. Alright, let's hear it for him, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, audience, give it up for Blue Lightning, winners of our second challenge. flow with the flow. Woo! Okay. And so now it's time for our third and final challenge. This one's Strike Force has begun! I'm gonna go stand over there now. Oh, we have an inhibitor on the lookout platform! He's taking aim! Whoa! It's my secret. He's firing at other players, but it looks like Grapple's gonna fire back. Someone get that man some aloe vera cream! Another inhibitor is now on the course. The inhibitor is preventing Blaze and Grapple from getting to those buttons. Whoa! Grapple has a weapon! He's swinging at the inhibitor. Oh, 2 misses! Oh, Blaze clocks under the shoulder! How brutal! Why would you do that? Now the racers are fighting themselves with these weapons! Get out of here before I get hurt. I'm going into the audience, okay? Someone save me a seat! Grapples first to the button! Grimace repels down. Blaze is his button, and Brilliant slides down the wire. Now here comes some more inhibitors, and they have an assault truck. Grimace trying to make a run for it, but his path is blocked. Light bolt from blue lightning. If Brilliant just threw something into the truck, I think it's an explosive. Yes, it was. My goodness, look at that, folks. The assault truck's on fire. The inhibitor swerves out of control. Ball jumps the truck. Another inhibitor's on fire. Yeah. Sure go through a lot of inhibitors that way. Oh, Griffin sees his chance. Oh, he trips. Wait a minute. Brilliant blocks his path with a flamethrower. Man, things are heating up. My goodness, where does she buy these things? Right? Bombs, flamethrowers. Here's Vigilant for a good path. That'll block my bolt. And now there's Spirit takes him off. Oh my goodness. And now here's Beamish. And Beamish chases him off. This is insane, folks. I can barely keep up. Whoa! The fight continues. We have fighters, bikers, cars. Things are getting brutal. And now Brilliance and Grimace continue to fight like warriors in battle, giving it all they got. Ladies and gentlemen, the inhibitors have a tank. The tank fires at full, trying to slow it down. The drivers have just sped past. I think they're trying to draw the tank away from the fighters. I need a better look at Tank fires in all directions. Yeah, Grimace wants nothing to do with that. Blaze ain't scared though. Gearhead jumped the tank! will be the winner. It's brilliant! Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Blue Lightning, winner of Survivor Showdown. Now get those cameras ready, because this is the photo op, you do not want to miss. All right, now let's hit it. And now once again, ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for our drivers. We have Greaser and Grapple from Acid Green and Blaze from Blue Lightning. Now let's hear it for Blue Lightning Team Captain. Snippet. And Acid Green Team Captain. Remus. Our inhibitor, ladies and gentlemen. Both from Blue Lightning. And our combatants, Brutus from Acid Green and Brilliant from Blue Lightning. Now give it up for Gearhead. And that's our show, ladies and gentlemen. Be sure to join us next week. I'm Bobby Blake Dana, and this has been Survivor Showdown.